Morning, my name is Leon. I had an incident in December where I actually injured my leg with not knowing that I was actually allergic to iodine. I couldn't basically treat my leg with iodine due to me being allergic to it. The only thing I could actually find out to utilize was BarrierTech. I was introduced to it by Dion. He mentioned it's actually a very good disinfectant. I then sprayed it continuously on my leg every day. Afterwards, my leg started healing in the process very quickly. Up until today, I've still been utilizing it. My skin has healed totally. I've had various incidents where it actually kept on festering, and after utilizing the BarrierTech, I found it was resolved. The doctors actually also wanted to do a skin graft, but after this period of utilizing it for a month and a half, the doctors turned around and said to me I didn't need a skin graft anymore due to the skin within it growing by utilizing the BarrierTech. Hi, good morning. Once again, it's in connection with my BarrierTech that I've been utilizing on my leg. This is just a follow-up on the previous clip that we did. I just want to make a statement. Basically, as you've been to the hospitals and everything, transferred from one hospital to the other, the doctors actually told me basically my leg would have to be amputated at the end of the day. Reason being, it looked like it actually had already gangrene in it. We had numerous creams and ointments to smear on, but like as I stated previously, we basically found out that I was allergic to iodine. I had to immediately stop with this. Then obviously with the antibiotics and that I was issued, I'm also allergic to penicillin. I couldn't utilize the medication, so I stopped the medication also within being that I'm actually on warfarin, and the antibiotics were clashing, even if they gave me the generics. So with taking generics, it really didn't help. At the end of the day, I took it up on my own decision that I would just utilize BarrierTech. And yes, I've been doing that for the last couple of months. Okay, there we go. That's the visual of my leg at the present moment, where it's healed totally. So yes, I just want to explain my experience, and I find it very interesting, and I hope it can help other people as well.